As we near the Samsung Galaxy S23 release date, there are more and more speculations swirling in preparation for what may be an early February Samsung Unpacked event. Furthermore, the most recent leak may give Samsung a significant edge over the iPhone 14. Ahmed Quater, a leaker, said on Twitter that the initial storage capacity for all three Galaxy S23 versions will be 256 gigabytes. The iPhone 14 and even the iPhone 14 Pro series maintain a base storage capacity of 128 gigabytes. Therefore, the upcoming Samsung S23 might provide twice as much storage as Samsung's greatest rival, the Galaxy S22. The Galaxy S23 will be available in the following configurations: 8GB RAM plus 256GB Galaxy S23, 8GB RAM plus 256GB Galaxy S23 Plus, 12GB RAM plus 256GB 512GB 1TB Galaxy S23 Ultra. This leak doesn't make it obvious whether the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will support additional storage. Additionally, it is anticipated that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will launch with 12GB of RAM, which, when combined with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, could provide a better performance than the S23 and S23 Plus with 8GB of RAM. Other Android flagships such as the Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, and OnePlus 10T typically come with 128GB of storage as standard. According to reports, the OnePlus 11 Pro stands out with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, but it could also come in 16GB to 56GB configurations. Leaked colors for the Galaxy S23. On Twitter, Ahmed Quater has revealed yet another detail about the Galaxy S23 series color selections. He says that the colors will be phantom black, green, lavender, and cream. He also claims that there is no pink or gold color or burgundy or white. Display analyst Ross Young hinted that the S23 series would be available in black, beige, green, and light pink back in October. Therefore, we must wait and see which rumor is true. What colors might be unique to the S23 Ultra model are likewise unknown. White, black, green, pink, gold, bora purple, graphite, sky blue, and violet were the available hues for the Galaxy S22. The S22 Ultra offered exclusive burgundy and red options, whereas the Galaxy S22 Plus received all the same colors with the exception of purple. Potentially flat display for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Last but not least, according to Ahmed Quater, the Galaxy S23 Ultra screen will be flat in response to user requests. This modification should make using the S Pen to write on the 6.8-inch display simpler. Additionally, the new 200MP camera for the Galaxy S23 Ultra has been rumored, and only last week another leaker, Ice Universe, said that the S23 Ultra's night camera is comparable to night vision. It won't be long before we find out which of these major three reports is true, since Samsung's Unpacked presentation for the Galaxy S23 series is anticipated to take place as soon as February 1st. My bet is that they are all true. So guys, this concludes our video for today. I hope you guys liked it. If so, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our gadget-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.